right at MLK, but you can see the drive all around is busy no matter what you're talking about, but at least you get an idea of what the surrounding freeways are like. And then, of course, heading in towards, say, the Cajon Pass, that might start to get heavy later on. Hard to tell, right? Good Friday tomorrow, and then some people on spring break this week, some people on it next week. Let's take it to our Caltrans camera so you can see what it looks like. Very nice, actually, and I feel like this time it's good. Later on, things will start to get heavy. We're talking about both sides of the 5 freeway. Oh, I was trying to avoid it, I'm sorry. But I'm just the only one in here and the door's closed. Anyway, both sides actually looking okay if you have plans to be on this stretch of the 5 freeway again, right here at Slauson. I'm going to get hand sanitizer, send it back to you.